Okay guys, here's a better one. I'm standing right there where the swarm is. There are plenty of them here. So you can see they're coming towards me here. So he's looking north towards Carlsberg. I'm going to walk down the road. As I walk, they all fly away.